Welcome back to the Fishing Doctor's Adventures. We're fishing the Santa Ana River today in Southern California, up in the National Forest of San Bernardino County. So I'm going to tell you a few tricks, so stay tuned and see how it works. One of those tips is right behind me now. You see these dead palm logs. They lay kind of kitty corner in the stream, cause a little current break. The fish will hide under those logs as the sand erodes. Just cast upstream, let it bounce along the front of the log, and the fish will come out and grab it, okay? We're just using a little jig today. I'll show you a close-up later. Gray jig, looks like a nymph, and we'll see how it works, okay? So we're gonna cast upstream, balance the jig along the front of that log. We'll see what happens. Oh, I just saw a fish come out and strike at it, so there's one under there, we might get him. Now in this tight quarters, sometimes you have to use a little pitching technique, let out some line, pull out some slack with your hand like this, and then flip it into the spot and let go of the line. Oh, another hit, you missed it again. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one. I got him. Oh, he came off. Came off. Okay. Let's see if he's still hungry, if there's another one under there. I got him this time. I got him this time. Oh, he came off. I got him. Got that one. Nice little rainbow trout. Let's let him go. Nice little rainbow trout. Doesn't look like a stalker, looks like a wild one. Got another one. Another rainbow trout. Oh, this one's fighting good. A little bigger one. Nice fish. You can see this technique with the logs works really good in this small stream. Got another one. Sometimes they'll stack up really good underneath those logs. Nice little rainbow. Bye. Let's try some other place. Got one. Nice little rainbow trout in the stream. Okay, so another great place to try and fish in the stream is these little deeper pools with rocks adjacent, because the fish like to hide under the rocks, get out of the stream break, and then they can go into the deeper pools and feed, and stuff drops over these waterfalls. So I'll give it a try, see what happens. Brown trout. That deep pool worked. Check out the little brown trout. Sweet. Such pretty colors. I don't know if you can see, it's probably blurry. Let's put them back. Bye-bye. Okay, let's try again.